How to enable or disable dual SIM always on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on, you will see first option is connections. Click on connections. After click on connections, click on SIM manager. After click on SIM manager, click on more SIM settings. After click on more SIM settings, you will see first option is dual SIM always on. If you want, click on dual SIM always on, and after click on dual SIM always on, you will see here showing you dual SIM always button. If you want to enable dual SIM always on, so turn on this button. If you want to disable dual SIM always on, so turn off this button. So you will enable or disable dual SIM and always on from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enable or disable dual SIM always on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.